Welcome back, Crammers, to question 15. The R recorded the distance in kilometers that he cycled each day for 11 days. Here are his results. Find interquartile range of his results. When dealing with interquartile range, we always arrange them in ascending order, meaning smallest to largest. So let's do that. First, we have 5, 5, 7, 8, 10, 12, 13, 14, 16, 21, and 23. Now, to find the interquartile range, first we have to find the median. The median is the middle. So we can see here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So that means 11 divided by 2 is 5.5. We round up. The sixth value will be the median. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 12 is the median. But why are we looking for the median? Because when trying to find interquartile range, we'll look for upper quartile minus lower quartile is equal to interquartile range. But how do we find that? So to find the lower quartile, first we find the median and we take all the values below that. So this is now the lower quartile and we look for the median here. So the median is the middle value, which is 7. So that means lower quartile is equal to 7. And to deal with the upper quartile, we look for the median of these values, which is 16. So that means upper quartile is 16. Now to find interquartile range, we simply find the difference. So 16 minus 7 is equal to 9. So interquartile range is equal to 9 kilometers. That's our final answer. Thanks for watching. Cram, then scram.